A proton and an alpha particle start from rest and are accelerated so that both have the same kinetic energy. We have to compare their de Broglie wavelengths. Let us solve step by step. The de Broglie wavelength is Planck constant divided by momentum. For a particle starting from rest with kinetic energy, momentum is root of 2mk. So, for the same kinetic energy, the wavelength depends inversely on the square root of mass. Now take the ratio of proton wavelength to alpha particle wavelength. The constants cancel out. Both kinetic energies are equal, and an alpha particle has 4 times the mass of a proton. Hence the ratio becomes square root of 4, which is 2. So the proton wavelength is twice the alpha particle wavelength, giving 2:1. Correct option A. For more clear practice, keep learning with Acharya.